Today's video is Swooping Bird Callum shaves Callum hair / grounded. It was requested by Jboy the Mac and single quote cheese lover. Man, I really hate my normal clone. Why? Because he always get me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to shave my normal clone's hair. Ha 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 ha. Man, it sure is a nice day to relax on the couch. Ugh, my swooping bird clone, what are you doing here? I'm going to shave your hair. What? No 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 no. Please don't shave my hair. Too late. My swooping bird clone, how dare you shave my hair? That it? You are grounded for 4 weeks? Go to your room. What? Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.